हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 10.2। सो जल्दी से हम पहले क्वेश्चन रीड कर लेते हैं। सो द क्वेश्चन सेज प्रूव दैट द परपेंडिकुलर एट द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट टू द टेंजेंट टू अ सर्कल पासेस थ्रू द सेंटर। ओके, सो मैंने यहाँ पे एक सर्कल ड्रॉ किया हुआ है। आई लेबल इट्स सेंटर एज ओ। ओके, नाउ आई ड्रॉ tangent to this circle. So this is my tangent and I label this point of contact as P. Okay. Now we have to draw a perpendicular line at the point of contact. Okay. So this is my perpendicular line. I label this point as R. Okay. And I can label this point as M. Okay. Now PM is perpendicular to OP because we know the theorem that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact, right? So therefore OP is perpendicular to PM. You can mention the reason here. This is theorem 10.1. Okay, so this means this angle is 90 degrees. Angle OPM is 90 degree. Also, since this is a perpendicular line, RP is perpendicular to PM, so angle RPM is also 90, right? Since RP is perpendicular to PM, this implies angle RPM is also 90. Now, since angle OPM and angle RPM both are equal, so this is possible only when O lies on this line RP. Now I can write as OPM is equal to angle RPM, and this is possible only when O lies on line RP, right? So we have proved that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. I hope this is clear.